Hello guys, you're welcome back to Niger News and Entertainment. Followers of BB Niger would love this news I'm about to share with you guys today. So it happened that CC, BB Niger CC, our warrior princess, allegedly visits estranged lover Toby Bakre, that's Toby from BB Niger, to beg for forgiveness. Then this happened. Wow, I'm surprised. I wonder what led her to this. I guess it's a New Year revolution or something of that nature. Well, we'll see. So, BB Niger CC, our warrior princess, those that followed BB Niger 2018, yeah, BB Niger 2018. I'm sure you guys won't forget what happened between CC and Toby. Yeah, Sisi and Toby were in a lovely relationship at first, and suddenly everything turned into a what's the word for it, turned into something else. Actually, they hated each other, started fighting each other. Sisi was always attacking Toby. It got to a point she even insulted his family lineage, his generation, insulted him so bad on live TV, and it was really bad, all because Toby was getting close to another lady, which to her was rubbish or shit. How can she be showing affection to a guy who is interested in another lady? You understand? But she was the one who was pushing the guy away. That's in my own observation. I don't know what you guys think. I know there are CC fans out there. So, happening today, 2020, CC went over to Toby's place to apologize, and this happened. Let's go through what happened. Former housemate of the Big Brother Naija third edition, Cynthia Nwadiora, popularly known as CC, reportedly grew daring Chupa by visiting the family house of former love interest Toby Bakre in order to settle the long-term rancor between both parties, but got the shock of her life. On arrival, it was a total mess, basically because she wasn't ready to give her an avenue for a dialogue or bonding together. In her company was a fellow colleague who was with her to boost her morale. We gathered that Sisi visited Toby's residence with gift items indicating she was remorse and contrite to tender an apology for insulting his entire lineage on international TV. The reality TV star allegedly walked her out of his family house, that's Toby, which got her highly disappointed. All efforts to reach Toby's elder brother through various platforms proved abortive. Wow, it's a pity. Toby's obviously not ready for any reconciliation. Yeah, I think he's done, he's healed, so for him, he's gone past that situation, and so he doesn't want to remember anything that has to do with that period. So, but I must commend Sisi for taking this bold step. It's not easy for a person like her, who is very proud, extremely proud and arrogant, to do this, knowing something negative could come out of it, like what just happened. So, but I will also plead on behalf of CC to Toby. Please, Toby, forgive her. I'm sure she has learned her lesson, and she's now matured now. Please, just forgive her and just let her come close. You never know what could happen. So, guys, I don't know what you think about this. Well, I'm here for you. Let's discuss it in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe to Nigerians in Entertainment channel to stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, guys. See you later. God bless.